Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a limited edition box from Glossybox, and this is the Mother's Day beauty box for this year 2023. So if you want to see what's inside in this box, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing from Glossybox. This is their Mother's Day edition box, and it's the For You box. This box, lovelies, it cost, if I'm not wrong, £35 for not subscribers and £30 for subscribers. As always, lovelies, the link and all the info will be in the description box below, as always. So yes, I did my lineup spoiler of this box too, so if you wanna check it out, that one too, I'll pop on the top here. So let's open this box. I'm really sorry, lovelies, but I have no makeup on today. Today is my day off, and usually I don't wear makeup on my day off. So yes, let's open this. And when you open it, you have the like brownish tissue paper. You have the QR code as always, and it says, "For you, treat yourself or someone special to fill your heart with happiness." And let's scan this one. So I have the information here, and it's here. It says, "Indulge yourself and celebrate the beauty of you with the little luxuries nestled inside this Glossybox limited edition. It's time to awaken your senses and admire the influential woman in your life. With a touch of elegance and style, this box provides a beautiful array of refreshing and sophisticated products from brands such as Molten Brand, Bare Minerals, and Rituals. The perfect gift for a special someone this spring." So yes, and now let's see. We have the ribbon as always. Let's open this one. It's very packed, lovelies. It's the quite heavy box too, as you can see. And let's see each one. So the first product here, which is my favorite one, this is from Molten Brand Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel. I have this one in my shower at the moment, and I'm using it at the moment, and it smells lovely, lovely. Smells like refreshing citrusy smell. I really enjoy using this one. And shower gel from Molten Brand, I noticed, lovelies, that the smell, it lasts throughout the day, so it's really a thumbs up for me. And this one, it's rated for £10. This is just a travel size, and it says, "Uplift your senses with this Orange and Bergamot body wash from Molten Brand. This beloved icon boosts beautiful notes of civilian orange oil, bright bergamot, and cedarwood, which will treat your skin to a radiant and unmistakable aroma." Yeah, smells gorgeous. I really love this brand, and also the shower gel from this brand. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Kingsley, the Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. It has 20 ml. I hope you can see it, lovelies. Here we go. So this is just a deluxe sample size, and this one, it's rated for £4.60, and it says, "Stain freeze, add elasticity and smooth your hair strand with this elasticizer booster from Kingsley. This hydrating and versatile conditioner will nourish and restore parched hair and will overall revive hair condition." I honestly have this one in my collection, lovelies, but I never tried it, so we will see. And the next one here, which is one of my favorite brands, so this is from Rituals. This is the Home Perfume Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. Here we go. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And this one is just a travel size, but I have in here too, and I really love the scent of this product. It's like a florally not overpowering scent. This one is a deluxe sample size travel size, and it's retail for 5 pounds. And this one, it says infuse your surrounding with a quick spritz of this perfume from Rituals. The beautiful blend of rice milk and cherry blossom will add a luxurious aroma to any space this spring. Yes, I love the smell of this one. And then the next one we have here, this is from Bare Minerals. This is the Ageless Phyto AHA Radiance Facial. This is just a deluxe sample size. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And let's see inside. So it does look like this inside. It's a very small product. So this one, it's retail for £8.80. I knew that Bare Minerals is quite expensive brand, and it says gain a more youthful and radiant appearance with this Bare Minerals exfoliating facial containing a plant-based alternative to AHA. This product will gently resurface your skin to reveal a brighter complexion, diminish fine lines, and reduce hyperpigmentation. Wow. So yes, and it says here, apply evenly to clean skin, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. Use up to 3 times a week. So yes. And then the next one we have here, it's from Pixie by Petra. This is their blush one. I have already here this one. I think it's in my bag. But yeah, it does look like this. It has like the highlighter and blush, but once you mix it, it's like it's more like a highlighter for me, because it's quite light as a blush. But yeah, I really enjoy using this one. And this is a full size. Oh, this is just a travel size, and it's rated for £8. And it says add a pop of color and glow to your cheeks with this blush and highlighter duo from Pixie. With a long-wearing, hydrating, and skin-loving formula, you will achieve the flawless skin finish in seconds. So yes, and the next one we have here, and this is from Symbiosis London Hyaluronic Acid and Shea Butter Ultra Rich Regenerating Night Cream. It has 50 ml. I hope you can see it, lovely. Here we go. And this one, it's retail for, this is a full size, and it's retail for £97. Wow, it has 50 ml, and it says renew, repair, and rejuvenate your skin with this ultra rich regenerating night treatment from Symbiosis. The powerful ingredients of hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, and shea butter will nourish your skin, reduce the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles, and overall tighten your skin. I heard this one before from other subscription box. It has the seed on, but I never tried. I honestly never tried from this one before, so I will try this one. And the next one we have, which is one of my favorite too, this is from Loccitane Dry Skin Hand Cream. This cream, I have it next to my bed because I love this product. It's a very hydrating product, love this. If you really have like a dry skin, like dry hands at the moment like me, this is very good. It helps also the cuticle. If you have really dry cuticle one, this one really helps, and it absorbs really quickly, and then it's not very greasy at all. And yes, I really like this one. It has 30 ml, and this is just a travel size, and it's rated for £9. And it says a beauty must have for at home, work, or on the go. Let the shea butter, argan, and coconut oil contain delicately moisturize your hands to help overcome dry and dehydrated skin. And then we have 2 more products here. The first one here, which I don't know the brand, this is from Glass House Midnight in Milan PEDP, and this one has 5 ml. So this is just like a sample size, deluxe sample size. It does look like this. It has spray. Let me see. It has the spray, which is a thumbs up. Oh, smells really nice. It reminds me of my husband's perfume, like the I will pop in here, I can't remember which one, but it smells like that and smells gorgeous. This one has a Cypher Flora fragrance, saffron, rose, moss, amber, Smells nice. Definitely will use this one. And this one is retail for £7, and it says daring and addictive. This Midnight in Milan EDP fragrance will certainly add character to your presence, containing a blend of voluptuous rose, buttery saffron, and a twist of aromatic moss. This scent will no doubt leave you feeling gorgeous and luxe. The last product we have here, and this is from Wild Science Leaf Seed Root Therapy Strengthening Treatment Mask, Organic Hemp Seed. This one is retail for £6, and this one, it says give your hair the recovery treatment if needed with this root therapy hair mask from Wild Science Lab. Add the strengthening mask into your next hair routine to encourage growth, repair breakage, smooth strands, and give your locks a new lease of life. So that's all, lovelies. As you can see, let's do a recap, lovelies. So you were received in this box the Wild and Science Root Therapy Strengthening Treatment Mask, the Symbiosis London Ultra Rich Regenerating Night Cream, the Loccitane Dry Skin Hand Cream, the Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Peach Honey, this one which is smells gorgeous, the Glass House Midnight in Milan has 5 ml, and then this one here, the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner, and then we will receive the Bare Minerals Ageless Phyto AHA Radiant Facial, and then one of my favorite, Molten Brand Orange and Bergamot Bath and Shower Gel, and another my favorite one, which is from Rituals, the Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. Overall, lovelies, I think this is really a great gift for Mother's Day. Few products in here are my favorite, and I can't wait to try the other products, and there's really a great brand in here. So yeah, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you waiting for this box, or did you receive already this box? Just let me know in the comment below, lovelies, and also all the link and all the info will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.